Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maisha LeVay, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled this wig. This is part 2 of a 2-part video. Part 1, I showed you guys how I made this wig in less than 30 minutes. So in part 2, I'm going to show you guys how I pluck, install, and style this wig. Let me know down below what you think. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the hairstyle so far. If you are interested in seeing how I got this look, go ahead and keep on watching. This wig to look as natural as possible. This hairline is not plucked, it's too dense, so we're gonna fix it up so that it can look and appear as our natural hair. This hair is sponsored by Dsoar hair, and this is their Malaysian curly. So I always start out by figuring out where I want my middle part to be so that I can make sure that my middle part doesn't get plucked with the rest of the hair. So whenever I pluck my wigs, I make sure that I spray the section that I'm going to be plucking with water. And this will make it so much easier. So these are the tweezers that I'm going to be using. And I got these tweezers from my local beauty supply store. The way that I tweeze is with the pointy edge facing up. And then I tweeze like this. You don't want to tweeze like this with the pointy edge pointing down because you can possibly tear a hole into your lace. So I always pluck like this. With plucking, it's like a building process. So you pluck some, you see how it look, and you pluck some more. Then I'm gonna go like in a zigzag motion and part that piece off. I never go in a straight line because your hairline is not straight. So we want this to look as real as possible. So I do a jagged line, and then I'm gonna go back in and pluck some more. You want to make sure that you snatch backwards. So don't pluck and go up like this, because then you won't like get that gradient effect. You don't want to like just pluck in a straight line like this. So you want to put going backwards so that if you take some hairs back, you'll be fine instead of taking too many hairs like in one line. How far you go back when you're plucking is mainly like off preference, like how natural you want your wig to look. So that's a good amount of, you know, section to pluck. So this is our second time going back in. Like I said, don't try to get it perfect on the first try. You look and see how it's looking. If it's not to your liking, then you go back and do the same steps. Wet it. So this is where you want to be very cautious, because this is the front of your closure and the focal point of your hairstyle. So just never pluck in one row, pluck going backwards, and never stay in the same place. So this is all of the hair that I plucked out of the first section that we started to pluck. Comment down below and let me know which hairline you prefer. Do you prefer the one on the left or the one on the right? So we're just going to repeat the same steps on this side. I'm going to show you guys in real time me plucking, just so you can see the motion of my hand. So I start from the inside and go out. Pull from the front and go back. So you're gonna pluck, 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 pluck. And you do that in random sections.
Baby, I want it. I know you want it.
So we've molded our hair down and prepped it for styling. I'm gonna put this satin scarf on there that they sent in the package. This wig is like bomb, like bomb.com. These curls, they're air dried. I'm not gonna lie, this hair is like very, very soft. I'm not even gonna attempt to try to set up in my normal area. I'm just gonna stay right here and put this wig on. I'm gonna lay my wig down. Now you can do this without anything. You don't have to put any glue or anything on your wig. But today I'm gonna lay mine down. So y'all, while I lay my wig down, I just wanna say a couple of things like about social media. Let me just say that I'm gonna start being a little bit more personal on my social media, because I feel like that can make or break your social media. Now, I know that some people will disagree, and that's totally fine. So comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you think being a little bit more personal on your social media will make or break your social media? With me personally, what I did was I just felt like I wasn't gonna put my personal life on social media anymore. I like totally never gave y'all insight of who I am as a person, because when I post on social media, it's either me posting a picture or I'm saying something about my YouTube channel. I'm never like expressing myself. I know some of y'all can relate to what I'm talking about. I just can't put the words together. So now I'm gonna go back in and put a second layer. This stuff is so sticky. So while I'm letting this dry, I just want to thank y'all for 20,000 subscribers. I am like ecstatic. I had gave myself a goal like a couple of months ago. I was like, I want to have 20,000 subscribers by 2020, and y'all made it happen. I thank y'all. I love y'all so much. So make sure you guys follow me on my social media. They will be listed right here. I am going to start updating y'all and just bring y'all into my everyday life. I was telling my boyfriend that I'm going to start posting more. And I'm going to start off by, you know, giving y'all a little background about me. I'm going to start off with a Q&A since I do have a lot of more subscribers. With that being said, comment down below and, you know, comment some questions that you guys want to know about me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is that like right there? What? Once you lay it down, it's down, sis. Oh, how is this gonna turn out? If I pick it up, it's like gonna be white. Oh my gosh, yeah, I can already see this epic feel. I'm gonna try to pick it up. I'm sorry. If it turns white, we're gonna fix it. That's all I can say. I can already see that it may be white, and I blame y'all. I'm sorry. I blame y'all because I be trying to talk to y'all while I'm doing this, and look at me over here with a white hairline. So y'all, I'm gonna take this Q-tip and some alcohol, and I'm gonna like take away all of the, you know, crust that I like snatched up by mistake. Fix that real quick.
Hands on me.
So this is the final look. It looks super natural and it looks like a frontal. Let me know what y'all think. Also, rate me 1 through 10 how y'all think I did. I'm so glad that you guys watched part 1 and part 2 of me making and styling this wig. If you guys want to see more hair tutorials like this, comment down below and give me some video ideas. Don't forget to comment your questions. You also can send them on my social media accounts. My Snapchat is Queen-Isha with 2 A's. My Instagram and also my Twitter is myishaleve_. Don't forget to check the description box because I will have a coupon code for this hair listed down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Happy holidays. I love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.